Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show the National Lottery Euro Million prediction for Friday, 16 January 2026. Now, Euro Million single prediction numbers. Number 8, number 22, number 32, number 38, number 43. Now the lucky star number. Number 10. On number 12. Today, Euro Million single prediction number repeat number 8, number 22, number 32, number 38, number 43. Now the lucky star number repeat number 10 or number 12. Now Euro Million second prediction numbers number 28, number 36, number 43, number 45, number 49. Now the lucky star number 6 or number 7. Today Euro Million second prediction number repeat number 28, number 36, number 42, number 45, number 49. Now the lucky star number repeat number 6 or number 7. So friends, complete today Euro Million prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification. Please hide my video. Now Euro Million